Let's do it. And pick up the bicycle. So the topic of today's video is going to be whether or not you should go to a big law firm or a small law firm, and what the advantages and disadvantages of both are. So right now I think it's Morgan & Morgan. He has a commercial on, and it's all about why people should go to a large law firm as opposed to a small one. And his saying is that a small law firm doesn't have the resources that a large one does. And that's true in a sense, because a lot of times big law firms do have a lot of money. But the problem with big law firms, and you can, read the reviews on Google of a lot of big law firms, one of the biggest problems is that you're just a number. They have whatever, 2,000-3,000 cases. Each one of their associates is working on, probably like 75 to 100 each. And it just, watch out for the car. I want to go towards the beach.
The beach? Where is the beach?
Ooh, it's over here somewhere. Come, baby, follow me. A lot of times the lawyers can even remember clients' names, and that's one of the biggest complaints when you look at Google reviews, Yelp reviews for big law firms. One of the biggest complaints is the attorney never calls them back. The person never knows what's going on. The cases go on for like 2, 3, 4 years. And I think that's the biggest difference between a small law firm and a big law firm. Because a small law firm like myself, I know every single client I have. Yeah, they're almost more like friends. I know their first name, I know their last name, I know everything about their case. I give them all my cell phone number so they can call me whenever they want. That's, I think, the biggest drawback to going to a large law firm. Is when you go to a large law firm, it's like a mill. They have thousands of cases. Your case number is 743. So they lose that personal touch. Also, I feel like when you're at a big law firm, they can't fight every single case. There's just too many of them. When you go to a smaller law firm, that attorney, he or she may really believe in your case and want to take it all the way to a jury trial and do a much better job, because for him, losing your case could hurt him significantly financially. Whereas when you work at a big law firm, your salary never really changes. That if you have a case, a lot of the time you're better off going to a smaller law firm, because like I said, at the smaller law firm, they have less clients, so they can really put the personal touch on your case. They're going to remember who you are, and they're going to return all your phone calls.